Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope you do like it. If you do like it, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future predictions and updates on stocks and crypto. So let's dive deep into our stocks watch list here, starting with Amazon. So as you can see, we've been following Amazon for quite a while now, and you can see it was bouncing off of this support level in this channel, and this channel was operating since quite a long time. So it finally was able to break out and confirm the breakout and bounce up towards the $144 level now. It was during the day was trading as high as 145.85, but currently it just pulled back a little bit and still at 144.72. So if I look on the weekly RSI, I can see that it's still very much in the oversold territory, and I can actually show you that here. 1 second. So you can see that it's actually the RSI is still down here and the momentum has been gathering up. So I do expect the stock to keep bouncing for now and create another channel. So my prediction still stands for Amazon to be hitting around 160 to $170 by the end of the year. With that, let's move on to our next stock, which is Qualcomm. I did mention that I'm going to be buying down here, and we've been following this stock as well. So it bounced off of here pretty nicely as well, and right now trading around $114. I do expect Qualcomm to be moving slightly higher and touching the resistance level, which is around $125, and then maybe moving back towards the $107 stock if it's not able to break out. But the levels to watch for now is a resistance level at 122 to $125, and then the support level is going to be around 106 to $107. The next stock that I'm going to be talking about is a stock that I'm actually invested in, and I'm still buying heavily into it because I think it's very near to its all-time lows. And you can see the RSI is very much oversold right now, and it's showing a small bounce from here, but I do expect it to move up towards the resistance level, which is going to be around $138, and then I might sell back if it's not able to break out of here, and it can potentially move back lower towards $114. But Enphase is a great solar company. I do not see it going lower than $114 to $115, and I do expect it to eventually be breaking out. And the breakout level to watch is going to be $130 to $134. So, excuse me. The next stock I'll be talking about is Palantir, another one of my favorite AI stocks. So I do expect this to be moving slightly higher back up towards the $18-19 level. And hopefully once it reaches the $18-19 level, I would be looking to sell at that point and wait for it to move back lower towards the $14.85 level if it's not able to break out of this channel. With that, let's move on to Meta. And we can see Meta is bouncing beautifully within this channel as well. So right now it's around a $311 level. The resistance level to watch for Meta is going to be around $320. And if it comes down here, the support level is going to be around $306 to $307. So with that, let's move on to Tesla. And with Tesla, you can see, again, we've been following this for quite a long time. I did tell you guys to buy during this time when it was around $214. And you can see it's been bouncing beautifully up to the upside. The resistance level is nearing, actually, it's around $286. But I did mention that once it crosses $280, I'm going to slowly start selling all the way to $285 and move myself out of this position. My next step on Tesla would be either it comes back and retests this as support around $235, or if it breaks out and confirms the breakout, then I'll be buying more Tesla. So that is my plan for Tesla. I'll keep you guys updated on that as well. So for gold, you can see gold is also within this channel right now. I'm hoping, and I can see it potentially breaking out of this channel. I'll wait for the confirmation, and I can see gold heading higher towards the 2075 level once again, and eventually maybe have a slight pullback, but eventually breaking out of this and heading higher towards the 2500 level. So by the end of the year, I do expect gold to be operating somewhere between this channel, which is going to be between 1925 to 2075. So with Apple, you can see that it did break down into this channel now, and I do expect Apple to actually not break back up because the candle did close. So I'll wait for one more day and I'll see if what happens here with Apple, but I do expect it to come down now towards the $161 level slowly and steadily. It might zigzag its way back down, but I don't see Apple heading higher, at least for now. That's always a possibility, but definitely day by day, I'll keep you guys updated and we'll see in which channel Apple wants to operate. So let's move on to actually Google and see what's going on with Google. It's actually operating still within this channel. I do see Google heading higher. I don't see any major resistance here right now. So it might be heading higher all the way to $146. And once it touches this level, it might slightly pull back. So I do hold some Google at the moment, but my sell level for Google is going to be between 145. Actually, I'm going to start selling from 144 to $146 to just to be on the safe side. For PayPal, it's actually another one of the great stocks that I've been invested in, and I was following PayPal with you guys as well. I did mention that it's going to bounce off of here, and it just did right that. So it's bouncing right now, and I do expect PayPal to head all the way to $71 to $72, and then potentially head lower. So once it reaches the $71 to $72 level, I'm going to start selling PayPal. Actually, I'm going to start selling as soon as it hits $70 because there's a psychological level. And just to be on the safe side, I do keep it a little bit below my target so that I don't miss it by $1 or so. But that's it for stocks. Let's move into crypto and see what's going on with crypto. So as you can see, Bitcoin has been moving higher. Let's see how it operates. It's still in kind of a no man's land. It can potentially go all the way back up to $30,000, but I don't see it going up like right now. It might just move lower and retest this 25,600 level. And before the next bull market begins, I actually have a couple of other support levels drawn. So I do expect Bitcoin to head lower to the 22,000 level, either 22,900 to 23,000. Or if it's not able to hold back, then during this bear market, my lowest point for Bitcoin is going to be this level, which is going to be around the 19,000 to 20,000 level. And I don't see Bitcoin heading much lower. So there are people out there who are going to be waiting for Bitcoin to go back to the previous lows around $16,000 that it was previously. And they're going to be planning for Bitcoin to go to that level so they can buy once again. But that's not how the markets work. So since everybody's going to be thinking that it's going to head back lower to that level, it might actually just go above that level to like 19,000, 20,000, and then it's going to bounce off of there and everybody's just going to be caught off guard. So do not get stuck in that trap. Do look at these support levels. And as soon as it reaches around 20,000, 21,000, I would say, just start buying and DCing into Bitcoin. So with that, we can look at Ethereum pretty much in the similar boat. The resistance level is around 1800. I don't expect Ethereum to move all the way back up to 1800 for now. It is a possibility, but I'm not going to be trading Ethereum between this level. So it might just roll over and come back. And if it's not able to hold these as support once again, Ethereum as well during this bear market, I do expect it to go down towards the 1300 level. And if it's not able to hold that, my lowest point for Ethereum during this bear market is going to be the 1,100 level. So definitely Ethereum, again, I don't see it going lower towards its previous lows, which was around, I think, 900 something, if I'm 887, I believe. It depends on the various exchanges. But again, don't get caught off guard. Just start buying as soon as it goes down to 1,100, and hopefully it'll bounce back from there. So that's it for today. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.